What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, here we have the YTH2448 Husqvarna. This particular unit was repowered with a, I believe, an 18 and a half horse intake. I've done a head gasket to this new carburetor. Engine runs phenomenal. Problem was, you can see it, the neck busted out of the fuel tank. I've got a donor tractor, but I wanted to do a little before on this mower, because once I get the fuel tank in it, we are going to do some serious cleaning and painting where needed. The tins, the hood's obviously going to get a lot of it. I probably won't mess with the decal kit, but see how faded this stuff is. This is just a before. So, seat's still in pretty good shape. Probably won't mess with it. It's been pressure washed really good. I'll probably just leave her be. But anywho, this is a before. And let me get some stuff done, and I'll kind of walk you through it as I go if I find anything interesting. All right, look at there. Got the paint. Look at that. Paint's looking much better. You have to go back. I mean, there's a little bit of damage you can tell from the sun, but cleaned up good. That's, yeah. And I got half the heat therapy done. Huh? Look at that. You bet. All right, I'll bring you back. All righty, people. Well, look at there. Oh, shoot, come back pretty good. I mean, the dash, I'm not going to mess with the center cap on the steering wheel. I probably got one, but it ain't a Husqvarna. But anyways, still got to jerk the deck off. I'm going to put a coat of flat black on it, but after that, I'll be done. She cleaned up better than I thought she would. About 3 or 4 hours worth of work, and she's ready to go. Got good blades, good belts, fresh oil, good battery, good fuel tank now, because that one sucked. But anyhow, all right, people, like and sub, and catch you guys on the next one.